Hey guys, I'm sure you recognize me because I literally just finished filming another video, but we are now going to review the little tiny itty bitty guy called Freck. So this tiny little thing is $22 plus tax, which is insane. They do have an extra large one for $32, but I was like, let's see if I like it first. But I've heard so many people talk about it, so many people rave about it and say that it is 100% worth the money. I don't know how long this is going to last, but if you would like to see how this performs, then just keep watching. I was just about to start like doing it without even telling you what the product is. So this is called Freck because it's about freckles. So this creates freckles for you. You put little dots all over your face and you're like, I was born with freckles. Alright, so it says just to start dabbing this on. And then as you go to tap the excess away. So there's that, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it. Whoa. Okay, so as you guys can see, like that really disappears when you tap it, but it makes it look a lot more natural. I will say, this reminds me of a lot of henna. So right off the bat, I do wish that this was a little bit more cool toned. I only saw one shade. I don't know if I'm just dumb and there's more, but I think it'd be cool to have more shades because this is very warm. Okay, so that is really dark. Ooh, and be careful because I just made 2. And I just made 2 again. So if you apply it really heavily and then you put your hand over it, it will double it up if you like don't check your hand. And I do have freckles on my hand, so it does stain your hands. So you can almost like tap these completely away. Okay, we're actually gonna leave that there and we're gonna let it like dry for a little bit longer and see how dark it is when I try to tap it away. Okay, so this one's been on for a little bit. Huh, it still taps away pretty good. Now I will say this is so easy. I'm not having to like dip in eyeliner, make sure my brush is really thin, tap it in, cover it up, put powder over it. Like this is very nice. Put a little bit of powder on my brush to see if you can kind of fix it if you mess up. Nope, once it's on, it's on. So let's apply highlighter right over them and see what that looks like. Okay, so applying highlighter over them makes it look more natural in my opinion. So if I'm going to do this, I would probably wait to do my highlight and then do it afterwards, or just add some more. Don't look at my nose hair. Alright, I mean this is like probably the quickest video I've ever done. Yeah, I got lipstick in my teeth. How long has it been there? So rude. Why didn't you guys tell me? Anyway, back to me saying this is going to be the quickest video of life, and then I talk for hours and it's not. I like it. It's actually pretty cool. It looks pretty natural. You can do it very quick. You can make them very dark and very light. There is a little bit of like a learning curve, but nothing major. I definitely want to keep trying it and figuring out how to make it look even more natural. But I understand why people rave about this, because normally to do this amount of freckles on my face, it would probably take me like, I don't know, like 15 minutes. And if I wasn't filming and I just did this real quick, it'd probably be like 2 minutes, if that. So that's really cool. It's quick, it's handy. I am now freckled and beautiful. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm all over the place. It's because I filmed 2 videos and I get a little crazy when I do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to cake up that makeup.